thanks so much for watching. Today I'll be showing you a layout that I created using the a la carte keepsake as well as the Hip Kit Club for April. And I'm also using the Madison Avenue 3A border as well as the brackets number 3, as you can see right there. So everything has been cut out and I've also inked everything. In case you're wondering, the paper is, this one is Kiwi Lane, and all the other ones for the most part are Paige Evans, and both Kiwi and Paige Evans lines are through Pink Paisley. I will have descriptions, information in my descriptions of where you can find them, as well as links to all the templates that I used in my descriptions. I want to apologize for not being around for the past week. It has been a crazy week. My son graduated college. It was his birthday. I've been sick. So last week I kind of had to take a little sabbatical. And I just showed you the tags 1T. And I made those pink and I don't know, I guess that's like supposedly like a gold or a beige color. Little tags. And so this is a picture of my daughter and I at my son's college graduation, and I am just going to glue everything down again. So yeah, so it's been a crazy week in my household. I've been a little under the weather with allergies, living in the Northeast. This is the prime time for allergy season, and it has been killing me. So yeah, so I'm just sticking down my tags and trying to see if they're placed correctly. The heart that I cut out was by Pets, or was in the Pets kit rather, and I am using embellishments from the Hip Kit Club kit for April, but I believe you can also purchase those separately. Never fails. If I'm recording, somebody needs to tell the neighbors she's on duty. So I'm going to stick down this cute little chipboard little tag flags, little thingies that are right there under the picture, and I have that Road to Happiness sign on the right, and on the left, and on the right there's like a forever, it almost looks like a stamp, like a forever stamp. So it's a heart and it's super cute. And again, all these are pieces that have come out of the kit. Right now you saw me cut in half my tag, which was a tag number 5, and I'm just going to use that to kind of give the page a little something at the bottom, because everything was happening up top and the bottom was a little on the plain side. So I have a couple puffy stickers that came in the kit, and I'll be deciding where I'm going to put them in a second. And I picked the heart, and that purple one says good times, and I put one that says love you above the right hand corner, and I think I'm looking for another one, and I end up finding one that says just us. But before I do that, before I find that, I'm going to punch a hole on my tag, and I'll be using a little piece of the yellow twine that came in the, I think that was the April kit for the Kiwi Club. So I have a little piece here. I'm just going to thread it through and call it a day. Actually, I will be adding a little staple with my tiny attacher to the twine, and of course I'm going to cut it a little bit. So I'm really happy how this page turned out. I struggled a little bit with the flowers and things. I didn't want to overdo it, but at the same time I didn't want it to be too plain. So as you'll see me add more embellishments to it, you'll notice that I struggle a little bit on the right side of the page with placement of the different embellishments. So I didn't know what to use as a title, and I found this word together, and it's a Dear Lizzie from Thickers, and I've had this for eons. I don't even know how long I've had it, but it's been a while, and it kind of looks perfectly nestled there between the heart, the little banner, and just fell in perfectly. And I do fix the T, I think, a little bit. Looks a little wonky there, but the foam letters tend to move around a bit and they look a little weird. So I was going to put on here together celebrating, but then celebrating didn't fit. I was also struggling with these white little alphas because they were losing their shape, and yeah, I was getting a little annoyed. And then I realized that there was no way that it was all going to fit there. So you'll see me pull it all off, and we're just going to call it together and call it a day. Yeah, so this page is almost complete. There's not too much that's going to happen. I do realize that I do want to put a circle, another heart there next to the word together on the tag. And at first I think I'm going to cut it out of a piece of paper, but then I remember that I have the Horizon 2x2 pad, and I end up cutting a heart out of one of the papers that matches my forever heart up on the top right corner. Right there. So I'm just going to cut this heart out, and I'm going to ink the edges with my Tim Holtz Distress ink. And I will be popping that heart that says love you with some fun foam to give it a little dimension and to make it look a little interesting on my page. I also end up using some glue on that little banner, flag banner thingy under my picture, because for whatever reason they don't really stick down well. So when I was done, after I finished recording, I did go back and glue everything down again. So here I am just looking at some flowers and some little embellishments, and I actually like that up there. I don't know why I didn't use that. And just looking to see what I can add to this page to give it a little bit more embellishment. But anyway, while you see me putting these flowers down, which are also from the Paige Evans Horizon collection, I just want to take a moment to remind you that if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We will be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I'm about, I think, under 40 away from reaching my goal of 500, and I will be giving out a $50 Kiwi Lane gift card to the winner. And this is in no way is Kiwi Lane sponsoring this giveaway. This is solely from me, and I can't wait for someone to finally give it to somebody. So hopefully you will subscribe and you'll look for that video. So I'm going to add some of these little foam, actually they're not foam, they're puffy stickers, and they're little hearts. And I'm just going to add a few hearts here and there to this page with coordinating colors. And I'm just trying to spread the colors around. I wanted to add a little yellow to the bottom of the page, and Move some pink up to the left corner, and here's where I find my good time, my Just Us puffy sticker that I end up adding under on the heart. So this page is almost done. I do end up adding a little bit of journaling right under the word together. And basically my journaling reads, which I'm going to read it to you now. It says, Kelly and I at Andrew's graduation at the Prudential Center. And over on the right corner, not right corner, but right under the border on the right hand side, I do stamp the date of May 17, 2019. So I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope my layout inspires you to try it yourself. It wasn't very difficult. And I hope you have a wonderful evening. I'm a little tongue-tied. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great night.